Alright, so why does this happen? Media, offline. It's a very simple problem that you might run into and get stuck on as a beginner. And whenever you open a new project, when this happens, it'll pop up this menu saying link media, missing media for all of these clips. You'll see them turn into question marks in the project media panel, and you'll see this red media offline graphic, and it's quite simple to fix. The reason why this is happening is because your footage has moved file paths from when you originally started working on it. You've probably put it on your hard drive or moved it off of your hard disk, or you were editing off an SD card or memory card, and then took the memory card out of your computer. So the footage is not where it was. So all you have to do in this case is tell Premiere where the footage is now. So for example, and you don't have to do it for every single clip, all you have to do is press locate. So when you're locating the file, it'll show you all of your hard drives on your computer or whatever you have plugged in. You can find the folder that the files are in now or where you put them. In this case, I just moved things to a different test folder and simply match up the file name. That's this one right here. We can tell it's the same name and I'll just press OK. Alternatively, you can also try to use these search features if you don't remember exactly which folder it's in, but I'll press OK on that. And not only will it link that file, it'll automatically tell that everything else is in the same folder. So now all the footage is back online again. Also, if you ever right-click on a clip, you can make footage offline and keep it on your disk just if you don't want to render it or whatever. But if you need to relink footage manually, if that doesn't pop up for you, you can right-click on the clips or the clip in the project media panel and link media. You'll get that same menu that pops up. You can choose to locate it again, but it's a very simple problem. It's not even really a problem. You just moved your footage, and Premiere needs to know where it is. So that's a quick way to fix this media, offline missing media problem. My best advice would be to not start working on the footage until you have it in the place where it ultimately wants to live, or just keep track of where you have your footage and where you're moving it from the time you started your project. If you enjoyed this quick tip, you can subscribe to my channel here on YouTube for more, and I have another video with a bunch of more common beginner problems and fixes if you want to check that out. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you over in the next video.